Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will share with you guys how I make my suugo, or what I top my pasta up with. I usually make a lot so that I could put it in the freezer and distribute it throughout the weeks. I start off by grabbing a whole lot of tomatoes. Here I think I have around 30, and some zucchini, and I just wash all of my vegetables. Then I peel and chop everything and make sure that everything is kind of ready for me to put in the pot when it's ready.
And the prophets who were sent, all of them were honored. Adam, Idris, Nuh, Saleh, Ibrahim, Lut, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Ayyub, Shu'aib, Musa, Harun, Dhul Kifli, Dawud, Sulaiman, Ilyas, Al-Yas'a, يونس زكريا يحيى عيسى والآخر الخاتم الأنبياء محمد المصطفى الصلاة على النبي والسلام على الرسول والأنبياء.
Here I have 5 onions and I'm cutting up some bell peppers as well.
مكرمون. Blessings be upon Nabi, peace be upon the messenger and the prophets who were sent, all of them were honored. نوّر قلوبنا يا الله كقلب رسولك يا
I got a new pot that I wanted to use for this recipe.
الله كقلب رسولك يا الله آدم إدريس نوح
I got the hexclad pot and I heard a lot of great things about it, so I wanted to try it.
إسحاق يعقوب يوسف أيوب شعيب موسى هارون ذو الكفل داود سليمان إلياس اليسع يونس زكريا يحيى عيسى والآخر الخاتم الأنبياء محمد المصطفى.
In the pot, I add some oil. I'm using vegetable oil, and I put the onions in so that I could caramelize them a little bit. Some bell peppers got in there as well. Once they're a little brown, I add the tomatoes.
Aaron, Ezekiel, David,
And then I add the zucchini.
Elisha, Jonah, Zachariah, John, Jesus, Muhammad. Peace be upon them all.
الصلاة على النبي والسلام على الرسول.
As it's boiling, I peel and cut some lemons and I put it in the blender.
كلهم مكرمون. Blessings be upon Nabi, peace be upon the messenger and the prophets who were sent, all of them were honored. الصلاة على النبي والسلام على الرسول والأنبياء المرسلين كلهم مكرمون. Blessings be upon
And then I use a hand blender to blend all of the stuff that is in there.
the messenger and the prophets who were sent, all of them were honored. Adam, Idris, Nuh, Saleh, Ibrahim, Lut, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, Yusuf, Ayyub.
And I put the blended lemons in the pot mixture as well.
ذو الكفل داود سليمان إلياس اليسع يونس زكريا يحيى عيسى والآخر الختم الأنبياء محمد
Here I'm adding some tomato soup into the pot.
الصلاة على النبي والسلام على الرسول والأنبياء المرسلين كلهم.
And tomato paste as well, just a few handfuls.
Blessings be upon Nabi, peace be upon the messenger and the prophets who were sent. All of them were honored. نور قلوبنا يا الله كقلب رسولك يا الله. نور قلوبنا يا الله كقلب رسولك يا الله. آدم إدريس نوح صالح إبراهيم لوط إسماعيل إسحاق يعقوب يوسف أيوب شعيب موسى هارون.
And then I also add some fresh cilantro as well and a few spices.
زكريا يحيى عيسى والآخر الختم الأنبياء محمد المصطفى.
Adam, Enoch, Noah, Hud, Saleh, Abraham,
A tablespoon of Maggi.
Ismail,
And really you can season it as much as you'd like.
Job, Jethro, Moses, Aaron, Ezekiel, David, Solomon, Elijah.
I let it cool off and I'm putting it into containers so I can put it in the freezer for storage.
Jesus, Muhammad. Peace be upon them all.
الصلاة على النبي والسلام على الرسول والأنبياء المرسلين كلهم مكرمون. Blessings be upon Nabi, peace be upon the messenger and the prophets who were sent.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching.